Well, hello, everybody. I'm Huell Howser. It's early morning. We're here in Montclair at the station. We're getting ready to ride Metrolink. Metrolink riders enjoy free connections on many local buses and trains that link to areas throughout Southern California, where a lot of people work, shop, or go to school. And that makes getting around really easy.
I love the train.
Now, what do you mean you love the train?
I love the train. I hate the traffic. I work in downtown Los Angeles in the fashion district, and it saves me time, gas, money, the headache. I rest on the way back. I read. I listen to music. I love the train. I have more energy for my family when I get home, and it just makes things easier for me.
She's heading into work on the Metrolink. He's reading the sports section of the morning
sports
paper.
section, then I go to the California, and then I read the front page.
So you've got it all figured out.
Go the right order, yeah.
So you like things on a regular basis. You catch the same train every morning.
Pretty much, either the 7:50 or the 7:30.
Are you a regular rider?
Yes, I am.
And you're hooked on this, aren't you?
Pretty much.
Was it hard to get you on the train the first time?
No, not at all.
What got you here?
My job.
It just...
Because I work downtown, and it would be easier to ride the train than to drive.
Was it hard for you to figure out the logistics of how to get from point A to point B, what train you needed to ride, and how you made the connections and all of that?
No, not at all. I just looked it up online on the Metro site.
Seats are comfortable, and handy work tables can help you get a jump on your workday. Some seats even have power outlets, so you don't have to worry about running down your laptop battery. Talk a little bit about what it's like to spend the day at work and then be able to ride the train home.
Actually, it's pretty good because this gives us an hour's worth of time to work, and no phones, no interruptions, so it's pretty good.
The guy's got flowers.
That's right. The wife's going to enjoy the flowers this evening. You can get them pretty cheap downtown, so import them down to Orange County.
What happens every morning when you get here, Bob?
Well, we get off the train and we walk down to the Red Line, which is the subway, and it goes various stops throughout downtown Los Angeles. And I get off about the third stop, and then I have to walk a couple blocks from there to my office. But it's pretty convenient.
And Metrolink trains are for everyone. Well, that's it, our day aboard Metrolink. We have met a lot of very nice people and seen firsthand all the advantages of riding this train. It's easy, it's efficient, it's cost-effective, no muss, no fuss, no traffic, no stress. It gives you the opportunity to make new friends. Everything about riding this train is positive. It's a win-win-win situation. Metrolink, part of life here in Southern California, and it's only going to get better in the years to come.